Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to send an invoice through the PayPal app. Sending invoices on PayPal is a great way to get paid professionally, whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just a seller. This video is going to be useful for anybody looking for an easy way to bill customers or clients through PayPal. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to send an invoice on the PayPal app. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your PayPal app. Now you could do this a couple ways. You could just find it on your home screen, whatever page it's on, or you could do what I did and swipe down and type in PayPal and it will load up PayPal. Now you might have to sign in using your Face ID, but I didn't have to, and you will actually be at the home page. And now this is what your home page will look like, but what you want to go to is actually the send and request. And now if it doesn't look like this, there might be a banner that says send an invoice, but if not, just hit these three dots and at the bottom it says send invoice, and then you can choose exactly how much you want. So say I just want $1, we'll hit done, and then we'll go next, and it'll say, we just requested $1, and we can actually share this through a QR code, we could share it through a link, or we can actually share it through an email through this. And that's really all there is to it when it comes to sending an invoice through the PayPal app. And that's all there really is to the tutorial, but here are some important tips to take home with you. Tip number 1 is to make sure your invoice includes all relevant details, like the item descriptions and payment terms. The second tip is to double check the recipient's email before sending your invoice. The third and final tip is PayPal charges a small fee for transactions, so just keep that in the back of your mind. And that's all I have for you for this video. If you did find this tutorial helpful, drop a like on this video. Also, share this video with a family member or a friend or anyone you think that this video will be helpful to. But most importantly of all, subscribe for more future tutorials and videos. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great day and peace out.